Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this cars videos, today I will show you a Lamborghini cars ideas, my dear friends. Today I will show you a Audi cars and very speedy cars ideas, my dear friends. Today I will show you a very comfortable and very stylish cars models ideas. All these cars will change your personality and luxury your lifestyles, my dear friends. If you have to follow all the hottest men's, high class men's, business women's and senior citizens, hottest models, universities boys and all modest and stylish guys and men will follow these cars models ideas. These cars will change your lifestyles. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trend fashion, about cars models. All these cars will today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will follow more than latest and in fashion cars models like Suzuki cars, Lamborghini cars, Audi cars, city cars, Ferrari cars and much more about Jeeps cars models and sports cars models ideas. My dear friends, all these cars will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. If you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social medias account like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of cars models videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much you watching my all cars models videos from my channel. If you want to more than latest and in fashion cars models ideas, you will comment me on my YouTube channel. I will follow your comment and see your latest and in fashion cars models ideas. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos. Thank you once again. Bye bye.